First up, we have Paxton D with, oh wait, hold on, sorry guys, let me just close Steam. Wait, this isn't actual Steam, this is Paxton D's Brown Belt project. He went above and beyond. Look at how many features are packed into the site. So we have this slideshow section here with the different images that you click on and actually goes to that game's store page on Steam. You can cycle through each item and it changes down there, and that's just one of the features. All of the drop-down menus work. This down here, the slideshow with the modals that pop out for each game. This is so feature complete, it is insane. Paxton, just everybody bow down. Paxton is incredible. Great job, dude. Next up, we have Braden B's Flappy Tail. This is so cool. This is an Undertale themed Flappy Bird game. We can actually see the individual music tracks here, which are just a set of bangers. And then we can play the game, and the movement feels so good in this game. Even the sound effects for when you actually get a point and when you lose that point feel perfectly placed and perfectly timed. Awesome job, Braden. Jason H2 has this casino project. Awesome sound effects. We're gonna go ahead and get some money and we're gonna jump into the casino. Okay, what do we got? I'm outside in the rain. I can go to the bank or I can go to the casino. Well, I'm going to the casino. I already have $20. You walk the casino floor with NPCs. You choose the game that you want to play, and you can actually play each one of the Red Belt Project games right in this singular project. This is awesome, Jason. Every game is represented here, and we can actually play each one. It is so cool. Amazing job, dude.